So based on your version, computer version means whether it is 32-bit or 64-bit, and your system operating system, that is some computers having Windows 7, some computers having Windows 8, Windows 10. Windows above Windows 8 version will support Python 3.3 above versions. CM. So here I'm typing here just Python 3 point. So you can see here. So list of versions are coming. Okay. In our computers, if in our college 32 computers, 32-bit computers, you can install 3.3 above. You can 3.3 below. You can install. In 64, you can install any software, any this version you can install. So in my lab, I'm installing 3.9. Just I'm typing Python 3.9. That's it. Just I'm pressing enter. So you also do same thing in your that lab. So just press on here, click on this links. This link you press it. So one window will appear. So see very carefully, Amma. So in that computers, just you install below 3.3. Here my laptop is 64-bit. If your laptop is 64-bit, you can directly install 3.9. There is no issue. And my OS is Windows 10. So that we sometimes it will ask, okay, your OS also supportable. Okay. So after clicking on that, just scroll down here. You have directly you have here Windows 68-bit installer here is there, or you can install zip file or executable install. Executable means it will download. So you can see here it is downloading. Zip file means one zip file will come, like you can extract it and save it in some C drive. Okay, so it is downloading here. After that, listen carefully here. Total 26.9 MB I got here. So just I'm opening it. After that, it will ask the installation. I'm pressing run. Okay, here this is important, students. See, so here you can see this add Python 3.9 to path. Did you know what is path? Did you know what is path? In order to execute Java programs, in order to execute Python programs, or in order to execute any other programs, you have to give the path. So this facility directly available here, but below 3.3 versions is 3.9. 3.9 is giving directly. If you press here, directly this path will be added to your where it is added is I will. So this is directly it will add. Here they give an option, but if you want to add, so you can use here by clicking on right click on my computer, you will get the properties there, advanced system settings here, environment variables, and here you should write you should type here you should type new, and here you type just path or class path, whatever you type, and here you have to paste where it is installed, so already I installed it. So I installed in C drive 3.9. Just copy this and paste here. This thing, copy, paste, semicolon. It is not necessary. Okay. Okay. So what it indicates is your system will understand that Python is now I can handle. Okay, like that. So look, okay. So this is you have to do manually, but when you install it, automatically it is giving here. So if you press here, so automatically it will take the path, and after that custom installation, and after that you press next, all next. And here what you will do is, here browse is there, na, browse. Here just remove this all. Before this, just remove this all. What it indicates, in C drive, in Python 39 folder, so this particular software will install, right? So already the same thing I done in C drive, in Python, in C drive, in Python 39. So this is a folder, so this is a format. So already installed it, just to see Python 39. So install means automatically in this it will install. So already installed it. So I'm pressing cancel here. I'm clicking cancel. Okay. So it will close. So my Python 39 is, if you press install, automatically it will install. Already installed it. Just I canceled it. So after Python 39, so here this is a Python 27 version, 2.7, Python 3.9 version. Here I installed it. So after that, what you will do is, in your lab, students, in your lab, you have this software, Python 27. 1 second.